And here's Marley, the Nande Conure. Hi, Marley. Oh, thank you. And here's Sammy, the Maroon Belly Conure. Hi, Sammy. Hi, good girl. Hi, Marley. Yeah. I'm gonna walk around here. And here's big girl Quinn. Hi, Quinn. You got formula on your face, huh? Yeah. And here's Jinx, the lovebird. Hi, Teacher. Hi, Teacher. And here's Poppy, the baby Quaker. Hi, Poppy. And here's Buttons, the big girl Quaker. Hi, Buttons. And here's Colby. Oh, actually, that's Quill. He's kind of shy. And there's Kirby. And Cooper. Here, Colby, step up. Step up, Colby. And here's Colby. He's my sweetie. Hi, baby. Okay, there we go. And that's the flock.